2026, the landscape of America's car market will face a new kind of challenge. Not horsepower, not luxury, but affordability. For years, EVs were a dream for the upper class. But Tesla's upcoming Model 2 aims to break that wall, delivering an electric car priced around $25,000 without cutting quality, safety, or performance. This is not just another EV. It's a revolution designed for the average American household, affordable to buy, cheaper to maintain, and smart enough to power your daily life. In this video, we'll uncover how the Tesla Model 2 is changing the rules, from low-cost ownership and simplified charging to comfort, safety, and even powering your home. For millions of families, the true cost of owning a car isn't the price tag, it's the surprise bills. Scratch bumpers, broken mirrors, small accidents that end up costing hundreds. Tesla's Model 2 takes a clever approach. Modular corner bumpers. A light parking scrape? Just swap a small panel instead of replacing the whole bumper. Mirrors? Replace only the glass or shell, not the entire assembly. Even the wiper blades are refillable. Just slide in a $5 rubber strip instead of buying a full blade. By standardizing small parts and simplifying fasteners, Tesla is quietly making the Model 2 cheaper to fix, faster to repair, and friendlier for DIY owners. It's the kind of car that forgives small mistakes, saving hundreds of dollars and hours of stress each year. Charging has always been the biggest hurdle for EVs. Tesla wants to make it invisible. The Model 2's magnetic self-aligning charge port connects easily even in the dark or rain. An LED ring shows your charge progress at a glance. And the app adds a smart budget cap. You can set your monthly charging limit, say $40, and the car automatically schedules off-peak charging to stay under it. With automatic voltage detection and built-in safety checks, the Model 2 works with any outlet, from 120-volt apartment plugs to 240-volt home chargers. Add in weatherproof charge ports and heating around the connector, and you'll never worry about frozen flaps again. This is Tesla removing the hassle from the EV experience, one plug at a time. City driving brings its own headaches. Curbs, tight parking spots, steep driveways. Tesla tackles each with precision. A low-mounted curb camera guides you within centimeters of the edge. No more scratched rims. Door edge protectors absorb light taps, easily replaceable in minutes. The driveway assist feature learns your home slope through GPS and adjusts speed and steering angle to prevent front lip damage. And to handle bad weather, Tesla adds camera washer jets and hydrophobic coatings, ensuring crystal clear visibility when reversing in rain. With these small but meaningful upgrades, the Model 2 turns daily city driving from stress into simplicity. It knows that comfort matters, especially for older drivers or long commutes. The Model 2 offers an ideal seat height, around knee level for easy entry and exit, adjustable thigh support, memory settings for seat and steering, and intuitive physical knobs for temperature and volume, all designed for comfort, not complexity. Large, high-contrast display text improves visibility for all ages. Wide door openings, anti-slip sills, and smooth seat edges make getting in or out effortless. And Tesla's cabin overheat protection keeps interior temps below 45 degrees Celsius, so your car never feels like an oven in summer. These design touches transform every trip. From a quick grocery run, Tesla Model 2 isn't just transportation. It's a mobile power station. Built-in 120-volt outlets in the trunk and rear seats can power tools, laptops, or small appliances during blackouts or road trips. You can even run a mini fridge, lights, or Wi-Fi for hours using only a small portion of the battery. And with vehicle-to-load, V2L, or vehicle-to-home, V2H support, your Model 2 can act as a home backup system during outages. Tesla's camp mode turns the cabin into a mini living space, showing exactly how many hours of power you have left. Even when parked, Sentry Mode and Dash Cam protect your car with low power consumption. This is where the Model 2 redefines what a car can be. Not just a vehicle, but a smart part of your home ecosystem. An affordable Tesla was once a fantasy. Now it's a near reality. By merging affordability, simplicity, and everyday usability, the Model 2 sets a new benchmark for EVs. It's not about luxury anymore. It's about accessibility. A car that reduces bills, adapts to your lifestyle, and connects seamlessly to your home. For families, students, retirees, the Model 2 isn't just a cheaper Tesla, it's the people's Tesla. So what matters most to you? Predictable costs, easy charging, comfort, or power at home? Comment below and tell us what feature you'd love most in the new Tesla Model 2. Don't forget to subscribe to Drive TechX, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into Tesla's affordable revolution.